Alright guys, come on, check it out. And yes, I can say guys, because I know how many people are actually looking at this and what kind of demographic I'm aiming for. So if you guys want to go ahead and yell at me and saying, what about the 0.00200403% that's here watching? No, I don't care. It's ones that are looking at it and watching it from 100%. So this is all for you guys. So what we ended up having here is a broken 1-inch valve, Rainbird. Homeowner ended up calling me and telling me that the system wouldn't shut off after it was running through the whole system. So I said, what's the problem with that, right? Let's have water running all the time. It's beautiful. So we ended up doing is diagnosing which valve it was as doing it as we were checking here. We ended up taking off the top bonnet. We wanted to check the inside and make sure there was no debris in there stopping it from closing. Always slowly go ahead and back those screws back on. You go ahead and put a drill on there and you try to wrench it down there. Yeah, you better go to the store, go get a new valve, because I'm telling you, you ain't making it. Keep that thing down. I'm telling you. A 2, a 3, a 4, just let that crank out for 5 minutes. You do that and I guarantee that thing's on there, okay? So as you can see here, me slipping on the screwdriver as always. Got slippery hands when you're working with water. Eventually ended up getting on here. You're gonna see me go ahead and put this guy back together. Now listen, there's so many ways that this guy can end up being stuck, and so one of the other ways we ended up having to check was to make sure that the solenoid itself was actually working properly by disconnecting it from the actual system itself and testing the wires as well as the solenoid to make sure the power is going straight to the controller as well as coming back. It was a whole process, I can tell you, the whole time. Oh, Brandon, you got it done in only 2 minutes. Alright, seriously? If you want to watch me get up and do burpees all day, I will do it. I'll show you that picture. I'm telling you, it's not a good view watching me go ahead and get up every time and staying so fit and sweaty while working on irrigation. Yeah, and for the record, I did get it done in 2 minutes. That's right. I was so fast, I almost couldn't even charge the homeowner. But you know what? He's such a nice guy. He gave me a tip. Oh yeah, we're stripping the wires. Hey guys, the solenoid wires are very flimsy, so make sure that you go ahead and put those guys on the wire before you put the wire nut. Now, if you guys go ahead and make that wire nut go around and around and around like the bus wheel, I'm telling you right now, that thing's not on. You need to bring another one. Don't bring one to a valve box. Don't make no sense. Alright, that wraps it up for me, everybody. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Catch you guys on the next one. This is Time Bomb Irrigation. Take care, everyone.